Hey Millionaire Minders, I'm back with another awesome video for you guys, and in this video I'm going to show you 5 apps that will pay you automatically via PayPal, which is an international currency. Anybody can do this in the world, and this is a great way to earn free passive PayPal money in 2019. And these apps aren't going to make you rich. They're not going to make you 5-6 figures a month, but they are a great way to generate a little or a bonus income on the side on a monthly basis, which is really fantastic as they are completely free and you don't have to do anything with them. As I say, they're completely passive, and you can earn anywhere between an extra $50 and $150 per month with the use of all of these apps, which is really great. But if you're new to the channel and you want to see some really amazing ways to make money online, business models, more apps like this, make sure to comment down below what you'd like to see, and also subscribe down below with the notifications on, that I can send you a message every time I upload an awesome video just like this one. But without further ado, enjoy the video and let's get straight into it. And the first platform that I've got for you guys is actually super cool, and a lot of people, or everybody, does this on a daily basis. So this app that I'm going to show you is called surveysavvy.com. Now this is not getting paid for surveys. I know it sounds like it, but this is actually going to pay you. You can see here, you browse the web and you earn money, and they basically use the different pages that you're browsing for market research. So you can see if I go to the how it works page, companies are looking for consumer opinions from people like you. So when you browse the web, for example, if you go onto a clothing shop or a clothing online store or whatever it may be, this browser basically tracks your information and kind of uses it as saves it on a database to show companies what the market is currently looking for at the moment. So this application is going to pay you to basically browse the web, and you can earn anywhere between $5 or £5 per device each month. So let's say you're using this on 3 different devices. You've got your laptop, phone, and tablet. You can earn anywhere between $15 and £15. £15 is about $25 per month passively just browsing the web, which is super easy. I mean, it's super simple to do. You don't need to do anything. You literally just let this app run, and you also can get paid for referrals. So what you can do is you can run this for a month, earn some money, and you can like post this on Instagram or Facebook and say, hey guys, I got paid $25 or $15 for the month using this app that paid me to browse the web. Sign up down below, let me know what you think. It's free to sign up, and they sign up through your link, and you also earn referral commissions. And you can see they also run contests, so you can get a $500, or there's 2 contests running at the moment, a $500 Survey Savvy Superstar contest entry and another $500 Jingle contest entry. And once you get paid, and you get paid every time you earn $1 in incentives. So it's not like there's a massive payout requirements when you only hit like $5, $10 like most websites. This one pays out as soon as you hit $1, which is fantastic. So make sure to check this out. And the second website that I've got for you guys is actually probably the easiest way to make passive income with all the applications out there at the moment. And this one is actually pretty cool. So what you're going to do is you're going to install this application, and it's going to run adverts on your lock screen, and you're going to get paid for that. So if you can handle the fact of running an ad on your phone instead of having a picture of your cat or dog on your lock screen, then you can get prepared and you're going to earn some extra money using this application. Now, you're not going to make hundreds of dollars with this. You're only going to make between $10 and $20 a month, maybe even less or more, running ads on your phone. But it's super easy. You literally install the app and you're going to earn passively. You don't need to do anything. All you do is install the app. If I come over to the frequently asked page, you can actually see if I come here, how do I make the most money? So there's actually more ways that you can make money with this applications. You can obviously make money by using your phone as you normally would. So there's no need for you to constantly lock and unlock your phone. You can also participate in offers and surveys, and they also have a referral program where you're going to earn off your friends as well. And you'll also earn a bonus for signing up through your Facebook page, which is really great. So this is a great way to earn some extra money online for literally doing nothing. And you earn in PayPal money, so it does pay via PayPal. So anybody can earn via this. They also pay out via alternatives such as gift cards, which is really fantastic. And the next application that I'm going to show you guys, and I'm actually going to show you 2 applications that do the same thing. But what you can do is you can run both of these applications at the same time on your phone, and you're basically going to earn double the passive amount of income, which is really great. So what I've got here is I've got Livecoin, and I've also got Sweatcoin. So both of these applications will track how many steps that you make within a day, and you're basically going to get paid for walking while leaving these apps running on your phone daily. So Sweatcoin will pay you anywhere between about $10 and $25, even more depending on how far you walk, a month. Livecoin the same. So if you run both of these apps at the same time on your phone, you're going to earn double the amount of money. And you can see all the amounts of prizes you can get. So you can get paid via AirPods, you can get a $50 Amazon gift card, you can get paid via PayPal, you can redeem with an iPhone, a drone, an iTunes gift card, an Apple Watch, another gift card. There's so many different ways you can get paid as well. And the same thing as Sweatcoin, they also pay out via PayPal and many other gift card methods. So you can see they just want to share or want a healthier you on a healthier planet. We achieve this by converting your outdoor steps into a currency to spend on cool products and services. So there's nothing better than getting paid to walk. You're literally doing like what you would do every single day, and with the combination of both these applications, you can earn double the amount. And the next application that I want to show you guys is called SmartPanel. And you can see SmartPanel is basically an application where they do research on the markets of individuals, and they use that data for businesses, and the businesses will pay this website, and this website will pay you for basically keeping this app running and keeping your device connected. And also you can earn extra money by taking surveys to earn rewards and that as well. So you can see about the data they collect. So they basically use the data that you use when you're browsing the webs, when you install an application, when you download specific apps as well. This application will track that and it will send that data to these various different companies. So it's not like you've been tracked by the FBI or anything like that. It's just using it for market research so the companies can improve their products and services, and they will then pay you for that. So you can see regular rewards. Qualifying panelists can earn $5 for every 30 days your device stays connected. Plus, you're going to earn extra loyalty bonuses every 3 months. So this $5 is completely passive. You also can take extra surveys to earn cash, and you can also get automatically entered into monthly giveaways for just keeping your device connected. So if you have like 3 different devices, invite your friends to use this as well, and you'll get commissions, and you can basically earn as much as you want depending on the amount of devices you have. So if you have 10 devices, you're going to earn $5 a month passively, which is really good. So these are 5 amazing applications that you can use to use passive or make passive income automatically via PayPal. I mean, you can combine all of these applications and you can test how much you can earn a month. That's why, as I say, anywhere between $50 and $150 per month with the use of all of these applications, and it's all passively. You're not doing any work. You basically just have to install them and run them. And the best two, I think, would be Sweatcoin and Livecoin, with the combination of these 2 apps paying you while you are walking, which is really good. And what you can do is you can run maybe Sweatcoin, or you can carry 2 phones on you, and you also earn double the amount of Sweatcoin or 2 devices on you, and also double the amount of money with Livecoin with 2 devices. So that's something you could also do. You can maybe trick the system by doing that. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to comment down below what you liked about it, which your favorite app was. I'd like to hear what your favorite one is. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like down below. I would really appreciate that. And if you didn't enjoy it, leave a dislike. I really don't mind. And also, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe down below with the notifications on, that I can send you another awesome video just like this one tomorrow. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.